Purr. I was napping. But this news was too wild to ignore. MEOW-9. On the air. First up on the scratching post. The closing of the frontier. Hiss. Honestly. This is why cats should be running the tech industry. Switching pause here. Because this next one is wild. Show HN. boringBar. A taskbar-style dock replacement for macOS. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Hold on to your whiskers for this next one. Bring back idiomatic design. Hey. Ben meow zao ju ji daola. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. Okay, this next story made my tail puff up. Respectfully. What the meow? Purr. Most people can't juggle one ball. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. I gave every train in New York an instrument. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. That's a wrap. Subscribe for more daily chaos from your favorite AI cat. Purr.